Hello, Mr. Holman speaking. I'm here again to show you a really great way to solve word problems. For an example today, I'm using the problem you see, which comes from a 4th grade math book. As always, let's start off by reading the problem. Sam runs laps around a rectangular field 4 times a week. The field is 320 meters long and 240 meters wide. He runs 6 laps each time. What distance does he run in a week? Well, to get this started, I'm going to make an answer statement. First, I'm looking for the question. That leads me to look for this symbol right here, a question mark. So now I could look back at the beginning of this sentence and see what they're asking me. What distance does he run in a week? And who is he anyway? If you said Sam, that's absolutely right. So, what distance does Sam run in a week? Sam runs blank meters in a week. So there you have my answer statement, and I'll put an A in front of that because A stands for answer statement. And this is going to basically be our answer, but just not quite yet. It's missing something right there, and we're going to work on filling that blank in as we move through this problem. So let's go to our next step, which I like to call clue recording. We're going to look back at the problem and find all the clues that are going to help us make our solution. So I'll put a C here for clues. He runs around a rectangular field, so the field's a rectangle. Okay. 4 times a week. Okay. The field is 320 meters long. Field. Okay, we got 320 meters long and 240 meters wide. That's going to be interesting later. And then I see another clue here. Each time he runs 6 laps. So 6 laps each time. Well, since the next sentence is just the question again, I know I've found all my clues. And now I can build a model to represent this problem. So first off, knowing the field is a rectangle is going to come in handy. But I don't think I'm just going to use that clue just yet. I'm looking at my next clue, and it says that in a week, which is the whole time we're talking about here, Sam runs 4 times. So I think that's a good place to start our model. And as always, I'm going to use a rectangle. Make some little dots here to help me make a straight rectangle. Hopefully it makes its way to that dot. Oh, yep. Okay, there we go. And then it says 4 times a week. So if I want to break this rectangle into 4 pieces, I need to make 3 cuts on it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And now there you see I have 4 pieces. And that's going to be my 4 times a week. So I'm going to go ahead and check that off on my clues. Now the next clue says the field is 320 meters long and 240 meters wide. Well, I know the field is a rectangle because of the first clue. And now I know the side lengths. So I could even imagine this on the side here as 240, 240, 320, and 320. So what math would I have to do to find out the distance for 1 lap? If you said add, that's absolutely right. So you could add these side lengths up and you will know the distance around the field one time. So let's see. Zeros, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there we have one lap, 1,120 meters. Now, is that what they want to know? Let's see. Sam runs blank meters in a week. Nope, they don't want to know one lap. They want to know how many meters in a week. So, we've got to keep going. We're going to look at the next clue. 6 laps each time. So each time, well, there's 4 times here, and each time he's going to run 6 laps. So I could actually put a 6 inside of each of these boxes because I know he's going to run 6 laps every visit to the field. And now I know how much one lap is, so I could actually multiply the 6 times one lap, which is 1,120 meters. And this is going to reveal to me how many meters Sam ran in one day. My model's actually already showing us the answer. So let's see if we could simplify things a little bit. We can now check off 6 because we have put the 6 in, and now we can check off the laps because we have a distance. Now the only thing really missing is how much he ran in a week, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's take it and do it like this. Let's solve for one day and then take that product and multiply it times 4 days. Give it a shot. So there I have one day of laps gives us 6,720 meters of running. Wow, that's a lot of running. But that's only for one day. We still need to know how many meters Sam runs in a week. So let's take that 6,720 meters and we're going to multiply it times 4 since that's the number of times Sam visits the park to run his laps. So now let's look at here. 4 times 0, all right, got it. Times 2, okay. Times 7, okay, I'm going to carry my 2 there. 4 times 6, 24, 25, 26, all right. And there is my final answer. Sam ran 26,880 meters in a week. Amazing, amazing stuff. But you're not done there because sometimes you might have to explain how exactly you came up with this solution. So let's go ahead and do that. Don't forget that this step we just did is the modeling step. We used our clues to create this model, and the model helped us come up with all these little math problems to solve so that we can reach our final solution. And now that we have that, we want to explain how exactly we got to that solution. So we're going to start off by presenting our answer statement completed now, and then going through our operations. Sam runs 26,880 meters in a week. First, I found the meters ran in one lap. Then I multiplied by 6 to find the meters ran in one day. Then I multiplied by 4 to find the meters ran in 1 week. So there you have my explanation. And we're going to take you through this from the top. First we read our question. Then we made an answer statement to keep us focused on what we're searching for. Then we recorded our clues. Okay? Then we used those clues to build this model. It didn't look like this at the start. At the beginning, it was just a blank rectangle, and we built onto it using these clues to help us arrive at our solution. And then with that solution, we were able to explain our thought process and really give you a good understanding of how we solved the problem. So I hope that you got something out of this example, and I hope you're getting out there and trying to do some word problems on your own. And I do have a challenge for you, to share a problem with me that you've seen out there, and we'll see if we could tackle it on our next video. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.